Welcome back to Klausner at the Market. Martin Roberts Design is a leading company in the home furnishings industry for exterior store design, architecture, and interior store design, and visual branding. Martin Roberts, welcome back to Klausner at the Market.
Thank you.
Let's start with looking at Johnny Janosik's World of Furniture in Dover, Delaware. I understand you started with an existing rectangular box and built the new Janosiks on top of it. This is a fabulous look. What design elements did you use to make that exterior so impactful?
Well, we developed this idea of a greenhouse on each corner of the building in order to create a high volume that would be lit at night like a lantern, and at the same time would allow us to do twice as much signage as we would otherwise be permitted to do, and to create these strong entrances, one for mattresses and one for furniture. This has doubled the sales in the store by introducing more customers into the same space. And then in the center of the store, we have an oval design center that kind of confirms all of those customers coming in.
Let's move on to Gofina Furniture in Sydney, Ohio. Here's a before look at the store. What direction did you take in creating the new facade?
Well, the first thing is the branding is so difficult to read, and the script lettering, you can't see it as you drive by, and you certainly can't read the signs on the building. And the red tile on the building makes it look like they sell Mediterranean furniture, and they wanted to be a much more modern and up-to-date look. So we changed the branding, and we changed the look of the front of the store by building these 3 pillars, which allow the entrance to have its main brand name, Gofina, and then the subcategories of the merchandise they sell, furniture and mattresses, on the other 2 towers in front of the store.
I think this next transition is incredible. Here is what you started with at Chapin Furniture in Chapin, South Carolina. Let's take a look at what you created and tell me about your direction for this new amazing storefront.
Well, what they wanted to do was to move to the other side of town and build a new store. And what we were doing was looking for a space. They could only find a small space. They wanted to build a 30,000 square foot store. So what we did was we put the store on top of one another, 2 15s, and created a strong vertical element in the new store design. And you'll see here we developed a new identity with the H in it that looks like a chair, and this was used on the front of the store and on all of the entrances so that people would immediately recognize the big red chair in Chapin.
Martin, I understand that Wright's Furniture and Flooring contacted you because they wanted to find a way to add visual appeal and improve their interior store layout. In terms of creating curb appeal, tell us how you achieved this very unique transformation.
Well, the store was a warehouse-type space. It was corrugated metal on the outside, not very inviting for customers. It was 300 feet long. It's an extremely long space. And there was only one door into the space, this tiny little door here, which was at the corner of the space. So customers had to travel a long way inside the store to reach the merchandise. So what we tried to do was to move the entrance down the facade to the center of that long tin metal exterior, take the old entrance here and turn it into a new flooring department, and then celebrate the furniture, flooring, mattresses on these large billboards that we created on the outside of the store. Very effective, very inexpensive to do because there's no real construction inside the building, and it's all a series of blinds, if you like, that are being put in front of the building.
How can someone here at the market reach you?
The best way to get me is on my cell phone. I'm always available, 212-365-4809, or to look on our website, mrobertsdesign.com.
Sounds great. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much.